Today I am reviewing the Lenovo laptop computer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Lenovo 15.6-inch FHD laptop is a powerful yet practical machine designed to meet the demands of students, home users, and professionals alike. Whether you're attending online classes, working from home, or managing personal projects, this laptop delivers consistent performance without any unnecessary complications. At its core, it is powered by an Intel dual-core Celeron N4500 processor, capable of speeds up to 2.8 GHz, which provides reliable and efficient processing for everyday tasks. From opening multiple browser tabs to creating documents, editing spreadsheets, and streaming videos, this laptop handles everything smoothly and consistently, making it ideal for users who need a dependable daily driver. Paired with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, multitasking becomes effortless. You can switch between applications like Word, Excel, Zoom, or Google Chrome with multiple tabs open, all without experiencing any lag or slowdown. This ensures a seamless workflow whether you are working on school assignments, managing office work, or simply organizing your digital life. The 1TB PCIe SSD offers more than just fast storage. It delivers lightning-fast boot times, near-instant application launches, and smooth file transfers. With such ample storage, you can save thousands of documents, photos, videos, and other important files without worrying about running out of space. The 15.6-inch Full HD anti-glare display is another highlight of this laptop. With crisp visuals, accurate colors, and wide viewing angles, it is ideal for studying, watching movies, or participating in video calls. The thin bezels help maximize screen real estate, creating a more immersive viewing experience. Complementing the display are Dolby audio speakers that produce clear, vibrant sound, ensuring that your video calls, music, and entertainment are always crisp and enjoyable. The combination of high-definition visuals and quality audio makes this laptop perfect for both work and entertainment. Connectivity is a key strength of this Lenovo laptop. Equipped with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, you get faster and more stable wireless connections, reducing lag in online gaming, video calls, and streaming. A variety of ports, including USB 2.0, USB 3.2 Gen 1, USB-C 3.2, HDMI, Ethernet, and a headphone/microphone combo, ensures that connecting external devices like printers, monitors, projectors, and storage drives is simple and convenient. This makes it an excellent option for professionals and students who rely on multiple peripherals to stay productive. The HD 720p webcam, with a built-in privacy shutter, adds an extra layer of security, allowing you to control when the camera is on or off, which is perfect for privacy-conscious users during video conferences or online meetings. Running Windows 11 Home, the Lenovo laptop offers a modern, intuitive interface with improved multitasking features, customizable layouts, and better security. Users benefit from seamless integration with Microsoft Office, cloud services, and other essential productivity tools, making it easier than ever to stay organized and efficient. The sleek, professional black design, paired with a lightweight build, makes this laptop portable and stylish. You can easily carry it between home, school, or the office without feeling weighed down, while its robust construction ensures it can withstand daily use. In addition to performance and portability, this Lenovo laptop is designed with long-term usability in mind. The combination of high-performance hardware, ample RAM, ultra-fast storage, immersive display, rich audio, and comprehensive connectivity makes it a future-proof option for anyone looking for a reliable and versatile laptop. From productivity to entertainment, it delivers on all fronts, making it suitable for a wide range of users, including students tackling assignments, professionals handling office tasks, or casual users enjoying movies and music. In summary, the Lenovo 15.6-inch FHD laptop is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a balance of power, convenience, and value. Its combination of efficient processing, massive memory, expansive storage, immersive display, high-quality audio, reliable connectivity, and privacy-focused features ensures a smooth, enjoyable, and productive experience. Whether for work, study, or entertainment, this laptop is built to handle all your daily computing needs effortlessly while maintaining a sleek and professional aesthetic. It is truly a dependable and versatile companion for modern users.